Hello, this is Sunny from Inside Merch. Today we're going to talk about the Look Inside feature you see on Amazon when you preview books. This allows you to see a few pages into the book and possibly get an idea about the type of book that you're going to be purchasing. But before that, you see we're out here on our channel page, Inside Merch. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button, and that way you can get updates when I do post out new videos when it pertains to merch by Amazon, KDP, or other passive income streams that I may be talking about. And do hit that bell icon. So like I said, we're going to be talking about the Look Inside feature. That's this button right here. Whenever you look at a book, most books will have this Look Inside feature. All the KDP books will, for certain. And when you click on that, what you get is you get like a small preview. This is not my book. This is just I just typed in notebooks and it's like the second linked or something like that. And you get to see a few pages inside. So you see the cover, the back cover, and then a few pages inside. So why is this important for KDP? Well, it's important because it allows your customer to preview how you built your book. So normally this book particularly is very bland, but normally you would have your cover art here, then you'd have a copyright page, maybe some information page, then you'd have the layout for your internal designs here, your interiors. So that could be your lines, your dots, or your grids, or whatever you're putting inside your books. The customer will be able to see how you formatted your book and get a better example about what your book is all about, your low content book is all about. Now, you can't have issues with the Look Inside book function. The main reason I'm making a video about this is because one of the books that I published, I put it out there, it got published, and it was live for a couple days, and for whatever reason I wasn't getting the Look Inside button. And if a person can't really see inside your low content book, low content book, it makes it really hard for you to convert that person into a sale. So for whatever reason, I wasn't getting the Look Inside button. So I had to do a little research, and I figured that you can actually, if you go into your KDP dashboard here, and you go down here and you click Contact Us, it'll bring you to this page here. And what this does is when you click Amazon product page and expanded distribution, you actually have a link here that says Look Inside the Book. And then you can contact them by phone, or you can send them an email. But we're going to talk about the email part here. So they actually have up to 10 business days to provide a look inside for paperback books. So 10 business days. So a business day is Monday through Friday. It doesn't include Saturday or Sunday. So 10 business days. So there'd be about a week and a half, 2 weeks and a half before they have to give you a look inside. I actually didn't get mine for the 10 days total. And so what I ended up having to do was email them this message here saying that, no, I did not get my look inside button for within the 10 business days. This is not a print replica. And then I put my ASIN in there. And within I'd say about 4 to 6 hours, I had the Look Inside button attached to my book. So if you are ever having any like questions of why is your book not having the Look Inside, that could be one of the reasons. And this is how you fix that issue, because you should have the Look Inside button on all your books. It's essential for the no content books. Now you can also do some extra stuff here. A lot of people don't know that, but the Look Inside button, it previews about 10% of a paperback book or so. So, of the different pages, it can go up to 10%. And you can see we got about, 7-8 pages here that we can look through. You can actually request more pages to be previewed. So let's just say you got a pretty elaborate planner, right? So you have your cover page, you have your copyright page, and you have like some interesting stuff about your book, and you have some some instructions in your book. But you actually don't actually get to the planner part because you have all this extra stuff at the beginning of your book. So the person can't actually see what your planners look like because you just have all this extra prelude before the actual planner section comes. And so you can't actually see that. What you can do is you can tell Amazon, hey, I need a little bit bigger of a look inside. And you do that in the exact same way you would if you did not have the look inside button. So what you would do is you click the look inside here, you create an email, and what you want to do is you want to tell them, you want to give them this information also, but you want to give them your ISIN number here, and then you want to tell them that you want to expand your look inside preview by a certain percentage. So you want to do it like in percentages of 10. I think you can do all the way up to like some crazy amount, like 80% or something of that nature. So but normally like 20 or 30% is good enough for you to get for people to get a good idea about what your book is going to look like. And then within about 24 hours or so, you'll see that your look inside options here has grown, and you've got actually a whole bunch of new pages are previewable. So if you were ever wondering, like, how can you get more pages shown in your look inside, that's how you do it. You just contact Amazon, and Amazon is, pretty reliable in making sure that this happens because they want these books to sell just as much as you do because obviously it's money for them. So I hope this has helped anybody who is having issues with their look inside feature and wanting to possibly go a little bit deeper into the book with look inside. I do have some interiors that I created that I actually do want to put out for sale. So I created a little bundle, I guess, what you would call. So I created these. Actually, let me go into Photoshop here. So I created these interiors here. They're just simple line designs, but they're a lot better than what you see out there, especially better than than this guy was offering. Like, look, this is terrible. Like that's just boring and terrible. So I created three different types of sets. So we have like a standard set here. Then we have a Carnell version here. So Carnell got like an extended margin area over here, and then a little notes area down here. And then we have kind of like a blank freeform page. So people who could do like freeform writing, this is like note taking. This is what you would do. So these are like note pages here that you can put into your books. And now each of these also does have a date on top here that you can add also. So if you want to turn your notebook into a journal, well, you can do that by having this on top of here. So when people are journaling, they can put the day that they're journaling for in there. And if we go over here, you see that each of these setups here is the standard freeform and Carnell. You get it for $1. You're going to get all three of these formats, and then you're going to get both the standard form, and you're both going to get the dated for each of these styles. So 3 different styles, both standard and dated. I have it for the 16 by 9. I have it for the 16 by 9, the 4.4 by 9.69. That's actually more of a standard notebook size there. And then I have the larger size for the 8.5 by 11 inches. You can buy the individual sizes by themselves for just $1, or you can buy the bundle, which would have all 3 sizes for just $2.50. So you're saving 50 cents on that. I was talking about in my last video that I was creating these interiors and I wanted to get them out there, and I figured that if I'm going to put some work into it, I think I can make a little extra on the side with that. And I think that you guys will benefit from having some higher quality interiors than just having these crappy lines here. Have something that's actually going to look decent inside your book. So if you want to check them out, the links will be in the description. Like I said, it's $1 for each of the different sizes. And then each size has all 3 styles will be in there. And then for each style, you'll have the non-dated and the dated version. And they come it comes in both a PNG and a PDF file format. I put both of them in there, and they're both KDP ready, meaning that they'll have the bleed already put into there. So each of the sizes already is already built with the appropriate bleed on there, and you just got to put it in. You just got to create your book, essentially. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to check out these interiors, definitely check out the links in the description, and you'll be able to purchase that if you want. I'm hoping to put out more videos. Like I keep saying this, but I keep not putting out videos. But I got a whole bunch of stuff in the back catalog that I want to actually do that I just can't find time to do. But I hope you enjoyed these videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.